bathrooms have transformed from purely functional spaces into luxurious sanctuaries where design, relaxation, and innovation come together. In 2026, homeowners are focusing more than ever on creating bathrooms that don't just meet daily needs but also deliver a spa-like, indulgent experience. Tiles play the most important role in shaping this atmosphere. From walls and floors to showers and even ceilings, tiles define the mood, the look, and the personality of your bathroom. In this video, we'll explore a wide range of luxury bathroom tile design ideas for 2026, dive into small bathroom inspirations, and highlight the latest shower tile trends that will completely redefine the way you look at your bathroom. Luxury bathroom tiles design ideas. 1. Marble elegance. Marble continues to reign as the ultimate symbol of luxury. In 2026, expect to see bold veined patterns in black, emerald, or gold against classic white marble. 2. Terrazzo comeback. Terrazzo tiles with speckled chips of marble, quartz, and glass are making a chic comeback. 3. Metallic finishes. Brushed gold, copper, and champagne metallic tiles are adding futuristic glam to luxury bathrooms. 4. Wood-look porcelain. For those who love natural warmth, wood-look porcelain tiles offer the richness of timber with water-resistant durability. 5. 3D and textured surfaces. Tiles are no longer flat. Raised textures, wave designs, and carved stone effects create a sensory experience. These tiles add depth, shadow play, and character to even the simplest bathrooms. 6. Onyx and rare stones. Onyx tiles with glowing translucence are trending in luxury settings. Backlit onyx panels transform walls into works of art, creating a dreamy spa-like glow. 7. Large format tiles. Oversized tiles minimize grout lines, creating a sleek, continuous surface. They're perfect for both luxury bathrooms and small spaces, making the room look more expansive. The mosaic highlights. Tiny mosaic tiles, often in glass or metallic finishes, are being used for accent walls and shower niches. In luxury bathrooms, intricate mosaic murals are making bold, artistic statements. 9. Matte finishes. Glossy tiles are giving way to soft matte finishes. They look sophisticated, reduce glare, and feel modern, especially in neutral tones like charcoal, beige, and taupe. 10. Bold color tiles. While neutrals dominate, 2026 is also embracing bold colors like deep emerald green, midnight blue, and burgundy. These rich tones create dramatic focal points in luxurious bathrooms. Small bathroom designs. 1. Light-colored tiles. Soft whites, pale grays, and beiges reflect light and make compact bathrooms appear larger. Glossy finishes further enhance brightness. 2. Vertical subway tiles. Classic subway tiles laid vertically create the illusion of height, making ceilings look taller. Pair with contrasting grout for a modern edge. 3. Mirror plus tile combinations. Strategically placed mirrors paired with large light-tone tiles create a feeling of openness and depth, ideal for tiny bathrooms. 4. Continuous floor-to-wall tiling. Using the same tile on the floor and wall creates a seamless look, eliminating visual breaks and enlarging the space visually. 5. Space-saving patterns. Chevron and herringbone patterns in narrow spaces guide the eye and add a touch of elegance without overwhelming the room. 6. Floating vanities with tile backdrops. In small spaces, floating vanities paired with tiled backsplashes keep the area open while still stylish. Shower Trends 2026. 1. Walk-in showers. Thin walk-in showers with frameless glass and full-height tiles create a spacious, spa-inspired look. 2 bold feature walls. One wall in the shower is tiled with a bold design. Think marble veins, geometric 3D textures, or deep jewel tones, making it a luxurious statement. 3 natural stone showers. Marble, granite, or slate tiles in showers create a rich, timeless appeal. Many designs also integrate stone benches for comfort. 4 seamless niches. Built-in shower niches tiled in contrasting materials provide both functionality and a high-end decorative touch. 5 spa-inspired tiles. Muted earthy tones, pebble effect flooring, and natural stone tiles bring the calm of a wellness retreat right into your shower. 6 tech-enhanced tiles. Smart tiles with anti-slip coatings, water resistance, and even integrated heating are rising in demand for luxury shower areas. Finishes and color combinations for 2026. 1 neutral plus metallic mix white marble paired with gold tiles. 2 earthy natural look sandstone or slate with beige accents. 3 black and white drama contrasting matte tiles for modern luxury. 4 soft pastel touches blush pink or sage green tiles for freshness. 5 all-gray serenity layered tones of gray tiles for minimal elegance. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of luxury bathroom tiles design ideas for 2026, with a deep dive into small bathroom inspirations and the latest shower tile trends. As you've seen, tiles are more than just a surface. They define mood, add character, and can completely transform the way a bathroom feels. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll always be the first to catch our new home design inspirations. Thanks for watching you.